Who up shooting they poop? Who up pooping they shoot? Poopity. Scoop. Scoop diddy whoop. Poopty scoopty poop. Poopty scoopty scoopty whoop.
Only the most important.
Wow. It seems a bunch of lights and mediums. Like it's a bunch of lights and mediums. This is totally not yogurt.
Yogurt.
Oh my god, we got another heavy! I'm so excited about this celebration! I should make it a hard breacher. I'm so ready to
breach where
not
bites.
Breaching bites.
Well,
who up biting their breaching?
comment down in the comments below.
Comment in the comments below. Margwa bites. If you really fuck with me.
If you're really my fan.
If you're really a day one, comment Margwa bites in chat.
So,
what the
or
fuck?
Venmo me like $300. If you're real.
Holy fuck! This thing is like 100 aim. Oh, they're all there. There's someone like right behind me. Fuck it, we're gonna make the flank here. Hey. LOL. Buddy fell for it. Buddy fell for it.
LOL.
LOL.
LOL bites.
Holy fuck, that gun is so good. Ultra shotgun, that's why. Shotgun on medium? What are we, jerking?
That'll do it to you.
Who out here jerking right now, dude? Who's sucking my gorkin, dude? Like, let me know.
Let me know in the comments down below.
In the comments down below, let me know who would rather jerk me. If you jerk me, let me know in the comments. Yep. Be a real one. Be a real one for me.
Be a day one.
This stupid ass sniper on the. You guys saw him, right? Yeah, I think you guys showed him.
I'm about to get him.
Thank you.
Oh my god, we're on voice chat.
I didn't know. I thought it was muted. Oh, hey there, buddy.
Is anybody a good counter sniper? Because I'm not.
In 2013. Yeah, this is just not gonna get.
Oh, what a bitch. Dude! He's. Oh, you motherfucker's camping. I have an idea. Fucking jerk off. This guy's jerking me. Chat, make this guy jerk me, please. Make this guy give me a little knob off.
Rub the knob a little bit.
So true. I literally thought I missed that attachment. I'm coming in! Is there a team wipe? No, what the fuck happened? LOL.
Lol.
Lollers.
Lol.
Let me do this. Because I have the best grenades ever. If that hits him, I'll actually get a bust all over. Wait. That works. And then we do a little drop down for the funny. And then they're not there, and I jerk myself to sleep.
Getting it everywhere.
So true. Dude, where is the enemy team at? I was about to fire that dead in my face. Yeah, I think we're gonna win.
Possibly.
Perchance.
You never know, man.
I guess we'll never know.
I get. You're not him, bro.
I guess we'll never
An
know.
incredible match concludes with the socialites as the victors, and with that, we'll see you
Yes!
next time at the finals.
I guess we could probably guess.
He would probably do the same thing until next year. So true. So true.
So,
So true. So skibbity toilet. Where am I at?
so.
Dude admitted it.
Like, buddy,
Yeah, we're done for. We're done for.
Like it's.
Yeah, we're done for. Fuck, bro. You didn't have to bring in the hard news on me.
Money.
Who needs money? Who needs money when you have friends? Am I right? Fuck you! I need money.
Versus the tough shells. Unleash
When you
your
have Margwas.
Unleash the contestants. I think I have like 3 shots in my shotgun. I have 6 apparently. That's not normal.
You're tuning into Power Shift, where the battleground is a platform.
Yeah,
and
sure,
victory
went through.
lies in getting it back to home base.
contestants need to stay in control to keep moving in the right direction. The closer they get to home, the more cash they'll collect.
Holy fuck! I cannot aim my shit. He's literally won. Please die.
Peacetime is over, folks.
Absolutely, the real game begins now. Eyes on the enemy there, everyone.
Boot. I'm so bad. I'm so bad at the fucking game. Holy shit! Chat.
Shells capture control and are
Well, at least I know the gun's decent now.
Oh, yeah.
It's just I'm the one that's shit. Oh, weird ass thing.
Bizarre.
Look at that attachment range. Just fucking Margwa bites.
True. So true.
Can I get one, please? Holy fuck.
Contesting the platform, but only
I
one
just
is
cannot
in
hit shit.
control of it.
If I hit shit, I win. That's
Nice.
the fucking thing here. The criteria for this fucking match. Fuck it. I'm gonna try Winch Claw with it. No point in not trying it. It. Any itching chat?
Maybe I'll itching it.
taking control.
Ching.
On the move. Sending a rocket.
Hey there, buddy.
Hey there, mister.
Dude! Okay, I think we traded, did we? No. Did we? Yeah, I did. We traded. Epic. Fucking, I missed the Winch Claw, though. Not epic. This thing is like 700 range. Sonic ring sound effect.
Just random things.
Dude! Be funny!
The fuck you
Please.
mean be funny?
Please, please.
It's 3 in the morning.
Hey man, you wanted this.
I wanted. Okay, man. Whatever.
Okay. Fuck me then. And he's on my cock right now. Enemy combatant! Oh, did you see that? That made me so hard. My bad, gang.
The tough shells are steering the ship.
It's good if you can aim and hit. Even though those things are shotguns. Piece of shit. Works, I guess, though. But you watch the shit stinging out of my drawers, and I guess that'll do. Thank you, Uncle Ruckus.
So shit.
So shit. Where the fuck is everybody? I hear them. Oh, they're on the thing already.
Motion.
Epic.
Tough shells are on the offensive.
Dude, what the fuck? Oh, shit. I hear somebody. Okay. Epic. Uh-oh. Loser!
Everyone, which team will seize it?
So he's not good.
Reloading.
For me, anyway.
Not Marvel.
Nagua fart tart lard.
Is that true? Is that true?
So skib. Any skibbers in chat?
Hey, y'all skipping right now.
Please hit.
Using fire grenade.
Oh my god, it actually did hit. I didn't actually think it would.
What exactly are the socialites up to?
Oh my god, I missed so hard.
How do I get an invite?
Holy guacamole. Okay, thank you. That missed. Epic. I just saw him. Where the fuck did the guy go? Oh, there he is.
Sending reality.
Nice,
The
teammate.
excitement keeps building, Scotty. I can hardly wait for what's in store.
I can wait for what's in store.
Peru.
Dude, what the fuck? Okay. Get up on top of the thingy-majiggy. The thinger.
Finger.
Good name, Thinger.
Finger.
Okay.
Seized control.
Thank you, game, for missing my winch claw, even though I'm literally touching his micro penis. Literally grabbing onto it. But no.
Ripping.
Back to the shitty ass spawn as usual.
The platform's contested. Let's
Kill
see
everyone.
who comes out on top.
Platforms contested.
Look at that move. The socialites are now stealing the platform.
Oh my god. And he's gonna run away the whole time, isn't he? No, you meet me over here. Holy shit! Did you see that? Holy fuck. Please hit. Holy fuck. Oh my god, it hit. It's it's getting everybody.
Destroying stuff left and right. Look at them go.
Socialites have been holding court on the platform for quite some
Please. And then I missed that, though. Please! It's France Simulator.
France. Smells like fish.
Shit Simulator. Yeah. Literally. I thought I got somebody. Apparently I didn't.
The top shells are taken. 1, 2, 3, and their history. Multiple eliminations.
Come here.
For the socialites, it's
Thank you. Holy fuck.
I haven't seen this much adrenaline in a game since that one time I drank
Okay.
6 cans of
Lamau.
oxygen before going on air.
Lol.
Well, let's hope our contestants have better control of the platform than you have of your produce intake.
LOL. Epic. And then he runs away. Come here. Come the fuck on!
Run away.
I'm jerking right now, obviously.
So true.
Shit is not Sigma at all. It's like fucking hitting a light player is just, it's like taking your.
リズム田舎あるあるこう
I'm totally gonna need to censor that. Holy fuck.
Yeah, no,
So
maybe.
cooked.
We might.
Shit.
Our contestants shouldn't get bent out of shape, even if
Yeah, are we cooked?
today's time in the arena.
Enemy jerk candidate. Okay.
A contestant is finding their rhythm, stringing together one elimination after
Fuck, I'm
another.
just climb up there.
The socialites are steering the ship. That platform is theirs. warning. This 1 minute warning was brought to you by us.
No room for hesitation now. Our teams will set
Thank you.
That's a play for the platform that paid off. The tough shells are making their run.
Okay, I'm on fucking fire.
So not.
So we're on fucking fire.
And the socialites take over the helm and start to advance to their base.
Please revive me.
frag out.
10 seconds.
Oh, I might actually do it. Nope, we lost. Okay, maybe we didn't. Oh shit, we're on it. Fuck! Fuck!
The
I need to use
socialites
lights
charted a
more.
course to the win this time on Power Shift.
Too many
To our
heavies.
sponsors and to our viewers at home.
Mr. Heaters is a bitch. If Mr. Heaters is watching this video, fuck you. Literal pussy. Massive vagina. Massive vagina on this guy.
Get a brand sponsorship from Bridge Wallet.
Whose real ones wake up to storage space insufficient as their only notification.
So real.
Nutella gelato. What the fuck? Guys are barely a human. Oh my god. Look at your DMs right now. You see something very interesting.
On the
Instagram.
okay. The full gang lang. Oh my god.
Why is she doing him like that?
Why is she fiddling it?
No! No!
The socialites.
Don't do it. Don't say that.
No, don't do it.
Don't. Oh. Don't ruin it.
She's completely pulling it out.
I'm not going to censor any of this. This is going to be horribly contexted.
And cash.
Exactly, June.
It keeps trying to go back in, and she just keeps pulling this shit out.
Too many, and they might be sitting down.
Horrible. This is horrible.
And she keeps fucking playing with it.
Stop.
She's chilling. Oh,
Stop.
Hold on to your result. Brought to you
she's like rolling it like a blunt in her tooth.
You're a horrible person.
I think at first I was like, is that a girl or is that just like a... But then nope. She kept pulling.
Yep, stroking.
Kept pulling it out of its socket. Like the thing clearly is uncomfortable. And also, how does it have curly hair? Like the whole thing, not just... Never seen a curly haired fucking...
Chicken? I don't know if it's a chicken or not.
It's a chinchilla.
Yeah, it said it's a fucking chicken. Which is what I'm...
Yeah, no, I can see the
Confused
chicken
about.
emoji. What the fuck? And it looks like when she peels off the shit, she like feeds into it.
Hell yeah. Protein.
So disgusting. Like imagine you had to do this with like your goldfish or some shit.